Obviously, as a owner of commercial real estate, even residential real estate, property taxes are an important part of the equation. Can you explain to us the importance of the property tax situation for an owner, and also perhaps the property tax assessment cycle?
Well, this is an interesting question. There's three main forms of taxations: sales tax on commercial transactions, what we do every day; income taxes, which we all pay; and then there's property taxes. That is a very important form of taxation, and the first records found on that particular topic date 6,000 years ago. So property taxes are one of the most significant operating expenses from an ownership perspective, and it's very important to continuously monitor that assessment cycle after assessment cycle to ensure that taxpayers are paying their fair share of that tax burden.
Interesting. Is there a difference between the assessment cycle and what the market value of a property is?
Absolutely. I'm going to give the example of the Montreal Island. It's an assessment cycle that just begun, where any property located in Montreal was assessed or valued as of July 1st, 2021 for taxation years 23, 24, 25. So for property tax purposes, the market value reference date is July 1st, 2021. Market valuation could be done at any time during the 23, 24, 25 cycle that would yield a different value.
As an economist myself, markets change, market cycle. Are there any times where the market cycle and the values of the market are in disconnect with the assessment cycle so much that an owner of a building may have difficulty with that?
Well, we could look at the Ontario market right now. I'm switching province to be fair with everyone, but with the current assessment cycle in Ontario, the reference date is January 1st, 2016 for taxation year 17, 18, 19, and 20. Because of the pandemic, the assessment cycle was extended 3 times already. So both you and I know that the reference date of January 1st, 2016 versus the market value of properties as we speak now, there's a lot of distortion there, completely different. So this is where we can see vast differences between the assessed value and the market value of a property.
And is there any time where an owner for real estate may want to appeal the assessed value versus the actual market value that they perceive their building to be?
Yes. So this is of provincial legislation. So across Canada, across provinces, there are different times to contest, challenge, appeal the value for property tax purposes of your property.
I'm going to stick my neck out and ask you to kind of look forward a little bit. Do you see any challenges that may be developing in any specific asset classes with regards to the assessment cycle and where market values may potentially go going forward? And I'm thinking, directly in the office market, let's say.
The office market has changed dramatically with the pandemic, a lot of conversion. So we will see what that yields, especially in Ontario. We saw what it yielded in Montreal, but it's a developing story. But those are definitely topics to keep an eye on.
And finally, technology, has developed quite a bit. CoStar is a technology firm. Has technology helped in the property assessment business in any sort of way?
Yeah, definitely. CoStar technology is assisting. It's a very data-consuming world. A lot of data involved. Anytime a platform can bring together a significant amount of data from different sources, it is always streamlining the process.